Today we'll learn how to create a Google Tag Manager account.
Hi, my name is Nahid Sarar. I'm a web analytics expert. I provide web analytics and digital marketing services for my client. I love to share my experience about web analytics, digital marketing, and digital skill in this channel. So learn more to subscribe my channel. So let's start our topics today.
First, you have to come to Google and search Google Tag Manager. You come to this page. So click to sign in. Then you come to this page. First, you have to create a new Google Tag Manager account. So here, the create account, click here. So first we have to set up our account name. So our company name is GrowDigiti. We live in Bangladesh. So you set up your own country where you live in. Then set up the continent name. Continent name means what your website name or your business name. So my business website name is careerbd.info. Then select the platform. This is web or ISO for Android or server. So our this is website. So select web, then create. Then scroll down and accept the Google terms and condition. Then yes, you can see our Google Tag Manager account is created. So first we have to connect our Google Tag Manager account with website. So we go to this GTM code and copy this code. We connect our website two way. Just copy this code and paste the website head option, or another we use WordPress website, Squarespace or Wix. There are different ways to connect Google Tag Manager this platform. So we in this video we show you how to connect your WordPress website with Google Tag Manager. So we could copy the code and come to our website admin section, and you go to appearance theme and theme editor file. Come to header.php, this option. In this head section, if you paste this code and upload file, your Google Tag Manager is connected. This is one way you can connect your Google Tag Manager code with website. This is one way you can connect your Google Tag Manager with website, WordPress website. And another option is, I delete this code. We go to plugin section, add a new plugin, search there are many plugins you can use for connecting your Google Tag Manager with WordPress website. I prefer this plugin GTM 4WP. Install this. This plugin has many advantages. If you install this plugin, your website data layer is activated. So now go to this plugin setting option. Then there are GTM ID. We need the GTM ID, so we go to Google Tag Manager, and here you see there is our GTM code. This code, copy this code and go to plugin section and paste this code and save. You can see there is a container mode, again on option, and save. So we go to Google Tag Manager and go to preview mode, paste this for your website link and connect. So you can see the tag is connected, and also our Google Tag Manager Google tag is founded, so we can sure our tag manager is connected with WordPress website. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, get more video about Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, conversion tracking. If you need any kind of help, inbox my Facebook page, I can help you. So see you next video. Bye bye. Thank you.